Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Crypt of the Necrodancer. Start by learning to move on the beat and practice with tutorial levels immediately. Focus on simple rooms and repeat them until timing feels natural. Keep your steps calm and listen closely to the soundtrack to sync movement and attacks. Pause often to review enemy telegraphs and plan paths. With steady practice, your rhythm and decision-making will improve consistently. Master the core mechanics by treating each beat as a decision point and timing tool. Practice chaining movements with attacks so you control spacing and enemy reactions. Learn when to wait one beat to bait a pattern or step diagonally to create safe angles. Items and gold help, but never break your rhythm for loot unless it's safe. Over time, you will read enemy patterns faster and react with confidence on each beat. Advance by studying enemy cues and room flow to anticipate moves 2 or 3 beats ahead. Practice modifiers like tempo shifts and hazards in short sessions to avoid frustration. Try different characters and item combos to find synergies that suit your timing strengths. Use safe, repeatable routes to farm upgrades and return to tougher zones with confidence. Gradual exposure to complexity makes learning faster and more.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.